In this video, I will show you how you can turn on location tags on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. As you can see, if I capture a photo on my Samsung phone and if I swipe up to go to the details, only the time and the storage size is mentioned in the details. But if you want to add the location tag where you have captured your photo, so in that case, just go to your home screen and open the camera app. Then tap on the four dots over here. Then tap on settings. Now under the camera settings, if you scroll down, you will find the option for location tags. Now just enable the toggle for location tags and select while using the app. Now after you enable location tags, and if you go back and if you capture any photo using the camera app of your Samsung phone, now let's open the gallery app. Now if I swipe up and go to the details of the photo, as you can see, we have successfully added the location tag to our photo. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.